Hello friend, in this video we will discuss classical mechanics CC paper 1's question objective question answers 2019. So let's start. The Hamiltonians corresponding to a Lagrangian L equals to ax square plus by square minus rx is, so that is correct answer. Px square by 4a plus py square by 4b minus rx means this is correct. And question number 2, according to modify Hamiltonian principle, so del integrations summation I equal to pi qi dot minus h by dt is correct. So question number 3, the generalization function for the transformations p equal to 1 by q and q equal to pq square is, so 1 f equal to q small q by capital Q. And question number 4 means D, the Poisson brackets does not obey the identity, so which is the correct? qi pj equals to del ij, this is not obey. Question number 5, the normal mode of two coupled mass are symmetric and asymmetric both A and B, so option C is correct. Question number 6 F, in case of a small oscillation the normal frequency are determined for the equation of v minus omega square t is equal to 0, this is correct relations. And question number G, the Lorentz transformation equation may be represented by a single reflection as, so c t dash x dash y dash z dash equals to all प्लस, याद करने का तरीका ऑल टू ऑल प्लस होना चाहिए, तो आर बीटा 0 0 आर बीटा आर 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 सी टी एक्स वाई जेड all are positive symbol. There are given option here, you can see this is the option 2 3 and 4. Question number H, the square of the magnitude of velocity for vector given by mu equals to 4 equals to 0, so the correct answer is minus c square. And question number I, the correct component of 4 momentum vector is, so p vector p1 vector plus p2 vector plus p3 vector plus p4 are represented as, so px vector comma py vector comma pz vector I e upon c, option number A is correct. Question number J means 10, in a relativistic mechanics the Lagrangian of a particle raised mass m0 and potential energy Vx is given as, so L equals to minus m0 c square under root 1 minus beta square minus Vx, where beta equals to v by c, so this is the correct option. So come to the paper 2020 question paper. Question number 1, a particle is constant to moving along the inner surface of a fixed hemispherical bubble. The number of degree of freedom of the particle is 2. Question number B, if the Lagrangian does not depend on time explicitly, the Hamiltonian is constant. Question number C, whenever the Lagrangian for a system does not contain a coordinate explicitly, qi is a cyclic coordinate, option A is correct. Here Hamiltonian is constant. And question number D, if the Lagrangian for a simple pendulum is given by L equals to 1 by 2 m L squared theta dot square minus mgl 1 by cos theta, means L equals to T minus V. T is kinetic energy, potential energy. So option number 1, p dot theta is equal to mgl sin theta comma theta equal to p theta ml square, option number A is correct. You can see this. So come to the next section. Question number E, according to principle of least action is, so you can see this, there are 4 options. Correct option is del integration sin epsilon सिग्मा पी आई क्यू आई डॉट एच वाई डी टी मीन्स जिसमें डॉट होगा वो करेक्ट होगा, मतलब डबल डेरिवेटिव इसका मतलब। क्वेश्चन नंबर एफ, द करेक्ट रिलेशन फॉर अ पोजन ब्रैकेट्स इज, सो करेक्ट पोजन रिलेशन इज दैट क्यू आई क्यू जे इक्वल टू जीरो मीन्स सेम आई जे क्यू आई क्यू जे इक्वल टू जीरो। इसी तरह पी आई पी जे इक्वल टू जीरो, बट क्यू आई पी जे इक्वल्स टू डेल आई जे होगा। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी ये सही होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर जी, फॉर अ कंजर्वेटिव सिस्टम हैमिल्टनियन प्रिंसिपल फंक्शन एस एंड द हैमिल्टनियन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फंक्शन डब्ल्यू आर रिलेटेड एज, सो एस इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू माइनस अल्फा टी। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। Question number H, the number of variables in a Hamilton-Jacobi equation first order for partial differential equation are, so n plus 1. This is correct answer. Question number I, if the maximum and minimum velocity of a satellite are v1 and v2 respectively, then the eccentricity of orbit the satellite is given by, so E v1 minus v2 v1 plus v2. This is the correct relations. Question number G means 10. The uncertainty of orbit of a planet moving around the sun under the influence of the gravitational force is a function of, so total energy and angular momentum. Total energy and angular momentum is correct 100%. So next, some relation you can learn this Poisson equation. Qi Qj equal to 0, Pi Pj equal to 0, Qi Pj equal to del Ij. This is correct answer. So come to the classical mechanics 2022 question paper. Q1, if the Hamiltonian of a system with 2 degree of freedom is given by, so h equal to px minus y square plus py minus x square equal to 2 by m, then the quantity of is conserved, so that is h comma lz is correct. B number, the Lagrangian equation of motion are dash order differential equation, so second order differential equation. And question C, that the correct relation of Poisson bracket is Qi Qj equals to 0. In question number D, for a conservation system Hamiltonian principles S and the Hamiltonian characteristic function W are related as, so S equals to W minus alpha t. Question number E, the uncertainty of orbit of a planet moving around the sun under the influence of the gravitational force. So you can, if a function of, so total energy and angular momentum. Question number F, if the maximum and minimum velocity of a satellite are v1 and v2 are respectively, then the eccentricity of the orbit of the satellite is given by, so E v1 minus v2 v1 plus v2. This is correct answer. And question number Z, the normal mode of two coupled mass will be, so symmetric, anti-symmetric both. Option number C is correct. This is the correct. And the question number H, in case of a small oscillation the normal frequency are determined from the equation of p minus omega square t is equal to 0. Question number I, in the laboratory on a principle A has the velocity v and the another particle B has velocity minus v opposite to each other, the velocity of a relativity to B is, so correct answer is 2v 1 minus v square by c square. Question number J, the expression for the relativistic energy of a particle is, so m minus m0 c chi square. This is correct answer. So question number 2020 question 2020-25 sessions question paper 2023. The motion of a cylinder rolling down an inclined plane involve a holonomics and scleronomics. Question number 2. The number of the degree of freedom for a two particle connected by a rigidity massless rod and constant to a move on the surface of a cylinder is 3. Question number 3. If the Lagrangian of a system is invariant under the translations along a direction, then the conserved quantity is linear momentum. Question 4. What is the nature of the orbit if the value of eccentricity is equals to parabola equals to 1, and the value of the Poisson bracket a dot r and b dot a vector a dot r vector b dot vector b p vector, where a and b are constant vector, is vector a and vector b. The value of m and n for which transformation are q equals to qm and q and p. Q equals to qm and s and p represent a canonical transformer r. So m equals to 1 by 2 comma n equals to 1 by 2 semicolon. Question number 7. So the Jacobi form of the least action principle are, so triangle integration under root 2 h minus b q d rho equals to 0. So this is the correct answer. So this is correct. And question number 8. The normal frequency for a free vibration of parallel pendulum is given by under root g e plus 2k by m. Question number 9. In an electromagnetic field, which one of the following remains invariant under Lorentz transformation? E equals to minus bc square. 10 number. In electron gains energy so that its mass become 2m0, its speed is under root 3 by 2 c. Question 2020 question paper. Question number 1. Degree of freedom for a free particle in a space is 3. Question B. The Lagrangian function is defined by in usual notations, so t minus b. Question number C. The frame of reference moving with constant velocity related to a fixed frame is called non-inertial frame. Question number D. The term omega equals to omega cross r is usual notation is called centripetal acceleration. Question number E. In the rotations of rigidity body, the direction of the angular velocity and the angular momentum are different. Question number F. As any object approaches to a speed of light, its mass becomes, so correct answer is infinite. Infinite means becomes 0. Question number G. The Einstein relation E equals E square minus P square C square is equals to m0 is C power 4. Question number H. On increasing the temperature of the solid, the kinetic energy of particle is increased. Question number I. Statement 1. No object can mass faster than the speed of light. Statement 1. Space and time are relativity. Statement 2. All the motion must be relative to a frame of reference. So statement 1, 2 and 3 are true. So statement number 3. All the motion must be relative to the frame of reference. Which of the following is best option? So 1, 2 and 3 are true. Question number J. Which statement of the following is true for a simple harmonic motions for a velocity v and amplitude a? So when v is maximum, a is 0. And classical mechanics session 2024 to 26. If the generalized coordinate in an angle theta and corresponding generalized force has the dimension of torque q. Question number 2. The Lagrangian of a system is given by L equals to 1 by 2 q dot square plus q dot minus 1 by 2 q dot square if describe the an harmonic oscillator. Question number 3. If the coordinate corresponding to a rotation is cyclic rotation of the system about a given axis is invariant, then the following quality is conserved. So angular momentum. Question number 4. The action angle variables have the dimension of angular momentum and angles. Question number 5. The orbit under the inverse square law of force is effective potential energy is given by minus kr plus l square by 2 mr square. This is the correct answer. Question number 6 here. You can see that a here see this. A particle of mass m in a potential given b, v r equals to minus a r plus a r 0 square 3 r q, where a and r are plus v constant. When distributed slightly from its state equilibrium position, it undergoes a simple harmonic oscillator. The time period is oscillate is given 2 pi under root m r 0 q by 2a. And question number 7, the generalized function for the transformation p1 by q and q equal to pq square is f pq. This is correct answer. Previous year's question. This is objective. Question number 8, for a one-dimensional harmonic oscillator to represent the point of two-dimensional phase space trace and ellipse. And question number 9, in a Rutherford scattering cross-sectional, differential scattering cross-sectional is proportional to e power 4. Question number 10, the momentum of an electron mass m which has the same kinetic as the rest mass energy is c is velocity of light. So option A under root 3 mc is correct answer. So I hope this video help for your coming examinations. So must watch this video. Thank you for watching this video.